Hi, today I'm going to show you how to update your officially OTA OnePlus devices like OnePlus 6, 6T or 5T with TWRP custom recovery without losing any personal data. So let's start it. Now, see, I'm on OpenBeta 32 and for my OnePlus 5, the new OpenBeta 33 has come, and also OnePlus 5T, which is OpenBeta 21. I will give both the OTA update links in my description sections. Download the OTA full package and copy to your phone. Now going to TWRP recovery. For rotate user, you can't update your device with OTA updater. This method you can use Magisk and substratum without any hassles. Now uninstall the Magisk. Now flash the OTA update. And if you want, flash the Magisk. Now wipe case and reboot. For now I'm using Magisk 8.1 stable version. I don't know why other version is getting me boot loops on my device OnePlus 5. When it booted, here is Magisk and all the data is fine. I'm coming with more tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and like, follow. You can share also.